Have you ever noticed how your hairbrush or bathroom floor has more hair than your head lately? You start running your fingers through your hair, and there it is. Another clump. It's scary, right? You wonder, am I going bald? But here's the truth, hair fall doesn't just happen overnight. It's your body's way of saying, something's not right. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix it naturally, without chemicals, without expensive treatments, using simple remedies straight from your kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do every morning, every night, and every week to stop hair fall, regrow hair naturally, and strengthen your roots permanently. Welcome back to Cure with Nature, your home for natural healing, ancient wisdom, and modern wellness. If you're tired of hair loss, thinning, or dull hair, stay till the end, because I'll also share a powerful, Ayurvedic hair mask that has helped thousands of people get visible results within weeks. Understand why hair fall happens before fixing the problem. We have to understand why it's happening. There are 5 main culprits: nutrient deficiency, lack of iron, protein, biotin, and vitamins, stress and hormonal imbalance, high cortisol and poor sleep damage hair roots, scalp buildup oils, dirt, and shampoo residue clog follicles, heat and chemicals, styling, coloring, and pollution weaken hair shafts, poor circulation, weak blood flow to the scalp means weaker roots. So now, let's start the natural healing from the roots. The miracle of scalp massage. Most people underestimate how powerful a simple oil massage can be. When you massage your scalp, you improve blood flow, awaken dormant follicles, and feed your roots. Here's my 3-oil formula for maximum hair growth. 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and strengthens. 1 tablespoon castor oil thickens and nourishes hair roots. A few drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oil, clinically proven to promote hair regrowth. Warm the oil slightly. Apply it to your scalp, and massage gently for 10 minutes in circular motions. Then wrap your head with a hot towel for 15 minutes. This helps the oils penetrate deeper. Do this 3 times a week, and you'll start noticing fewer hair strands falling out within 2 weeks. Feed your hair from within. Beautiful hair starts in the kitchen. If your body doesn't get enough nutrients, your scalp simply can't grow healthy hair. Here's what your daily hair diet should include: protein, eggs, lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Hair is made of keratin, a protein, iron and zinc, spinach, pumpkin seeds, and jaggery prevent thinning. Omega-3 south, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts keep your scalp hydrated. Vitamin C, amla, oranges, and guava help your body absorb iron. Hydration: drink at least 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day. Dehydration equals brittle hair. You can even make a hair smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, flax seeds, and almond milk. Drink it 3 to 4 times a week. Onion juice therapy. Now, let's talk about the ancient remedy that actually works: onion juice. Onion contains sulfur, the mineral that helps in the production of collagen, which strengthens your scalp and promotes new hair growth. How to use it: blend 1 medium-sized onion, strain the juice with a thin cloth, apply it directly to your scalp using a cotton ball. Massage lightly for 5 minutes and leave for 30 minutes. Wash off with mild herbal shampoo. Do this twice a week for 4 weeks. You'll notice new baby hairs sprouting near your forehead and parting line. Pro tip: add a spoon of aloe vera gel or rose water to the onion juice to reduce the smell. Aloe vera, nature's conditioner. Aloe vera is pure magic for the scalp. It reduces dandruff, heals irritation, and strengthens the hair shaft. Simply scoop out fresh aloe vera gel. Apply it on your scalp and hair length, and leave for 45 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. But for an extra boost, mix it with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Do this every other day for soft, shiny, and strong hair. Herbal hair mask. Now, here comes the secret: Ayurvedic mask that can stop hair fall and stimulate thick regrowth. You'll need 2 tablespoons amla powder, vitamin C, plus antioxidant. 2 tablespoons bring graj powder, fights hair fall. 2 tablespoons yogurt, conditions and strengthens. 1 tablespoon olive or coconut oil, deep nourishment. Mix everything until you get a creamy paste. Apply it from roots to tips, and leave for 45 minutes. Wash with a mild herbal shampoo. Repeat once a week. This not only reduces hair fall but also adds a rich, healthy shine. Weekly scalp detox. Sometimes your scalp needs to breathe. If you use oils, dry shampoo, or styling products, buildup can clog pores, so once a week. Use this natural detox rinse. Mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of water. After shampooing, pour this rinse on your scalp. Massage for 2 minutes, and rinse off with plain water. This balances scalp pH, clears dandruff, and improves circulation, essential for healthy roots. Habits you must avoid. Even the best remedies won't work if you're damaging your hair every day. Don't use very hot water, it weakens roots. Don't comb wet hair, wait until it's 80% dry. Avoid tight ponytails and buns. They cause traction hair loss. Limit heat styling and chemical colors. Instead, use a wide-tooth wooden comb. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase, and trim split ends every 6 weeks. Manage stress and sleep well. Stress is one of the biggest hidden causes of hair loss. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which literally shuts down hair growth. So, include 10 minutes of deep breathing, yoga, or meditation daily. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your hair regenerates while you rest. You'll notice your overall energy, skin and hair all improve together. Quick recap and motivation. Let's quickly recap your new hair care routine. Oil massage 3x a week. Nutritious diet daily. Onion juice twice a week. Aloe vera or herbal mask every 2 to 3 days. Scalp detox, rinse weekly. Stress control plus sleep daily. Be patient, natural remedies take time, but within 4 to 6 weeks, you'll notice less hair on your pillow and more confidence in the mirror. So if you truly want to stop hair fall and bring your natural shine back, start today. Your hair deserves love, not chemicals. These remedies don't just grow hair, they bring balance to your body, mind, and scalp. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone struggling with hair fall, and comment below. Which remedy are you going to try first? Let's heal naturally together.